Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Glamour Heart and welcome to another unboxing. So as you saw in the previous clip, my The Keys album by GWSN has arrived and I'm really excited to open it. Before we get started, please don't mind this piece of paper. You don't want to be seeing that. So let's not waste any more time. Let's just get into it. Here is the box that the album comes in. I'm sorry for the glare. It basically has all the information here. It's only this part of the box. There's nothing else on any other side of the box. It's not very big. And I guess we can just go ahead and open it. So here it is. I imagined the album to be in like a rectangular shape. This album seems to be like a square, a perfect square. Let me move this box. And here is the actual album compared to a normal sheet of paper. I can't look at it yet. Okay. Bubble wrap starts here. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's here. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Can you guys see this? Look. Okay, so this is the back side. I'm so nervous. Let's look at the front. Be careful, be careful. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? I know this is Mia. This is Soryung's, Lena's, Minju's. And I think this is An's and Seokyoung's. So sad that SOSO isn't with the group right now, but I hope she comes back soon and is well. I can't believe it's signed. Oh my gosh. Oh my, like, is this real? Like, I don't even want to touch it, but like at the same time, I don't want to touch it. I'm too scared. Let's take a look at how the actual album looks. As you can see, we have the 6 signatures minus SOSO's. We have the title here, The Keys, and then here in the middle we see the key, which was designed by Mia. She helped design the cover of the album. Here you can see Girls in the Park, which basically is the translation of Gongwan Sonia, aka GWSN. Here at the bottom it says, we need a visible past, a visible continuum, a visible myth of origin to reassure us to our ends, since ultimately we have never believed in them. This is something I've always loved about GWSN, is they always have like these little like texts under and like before and after like music videos, and it's just so interesting. This is like a lilac type of purple fading into a yellow and then out towards like a violet blue. Look at the key here. The first thing that comes to my mind is these little things, which you can see on the tree in the Puzzle Moon music video, and it's one of the symbols that has been used a lot. Here it kind of looks like a target, and then we go down, there's some vines, and here we have the GWSN logo. It's like the part that you put into the keyhole. Let's look at the over here. It's all really nicely kept. Here over here we go to the side. See the back. So in the corners, we can see it says GWSN. There's Girls in the Park, the keys. And over here is like a keyhole, which I guess you would have to put this into. And then down here is a track list. There are 4 tracks in this album. They are Bazooka, Gongjunggok Yesa, aka Wonder Boy the Aerialist. That took me a while to say. Number 3 is Tweaks, Heavy Cloud But No Rain. And 4 is After the Balloon, Alone. And here is the official Kamka sticker. I know they look different. They used to be like a metallic gold or silver, but now they look white. And some people may think that this isn't official, but it is if you look closely. Let me show you flash. Like here, it even says you need to have your flash on to see that it's official. Let me see if you can see it. There it is. Did you guys see that? It's supposed to be a music note. Yeah, you guys see that? It's like a little music note. And when you see it up close, it's actually a rainbow. You know it's official. It's when you can see a music note. So now I'm basically going to be dissecting the album to see what it has, the photo cards, what text it has, the disc and everything. Okay. No hesitation. Okay, here I am turning the first page and we see this. So here is the disc and here is the front page. It's like a little harder to take off and it scares me that I'll break it, so I'm always careful. Here it is. It's like a fading blue to pink. It's really nice. Here it says the keys, the Girls in the Park. It's really cute. Ooh, I didn't even notice this. It's like a little like hole, like the keyhole back here. It's like the same one. Wow. Now let's turn over here to the little book. It says Girls in the Park, the keys. Here's another key. It looks a little different than the other one. Here is the paper thing that I was talking about. And here is the same quote as the front. Let's turn the page. Here is the little tree. It says, what we want and what we get are rarely the same thing. Ugh, GWSN. Intellectuals. Track list again, and here's the chapter list. The key to the red door, the key to the blue door, and the key to perception. I literally don't know what all of that means. So here are different keys. This one's the same as in the cover. This one's the one we just saw. And these are new. They are 5 keys. I wonder what they represent. The key to the red door. All contents of meaning are absorbed in the only dominant form of the medium. Only the medium can make an event. Here's another part of the text. See ourselves as others see us is a most solitary gift. Hardly less important is the capacity to see others as they see themselves. Interesting. And as you can see, here is the red door, and I'm guessing this is the key to go inside. But I'm not sure where the red door leads. Turn the page. Look at them! There's Mia, Soryung, Minju, Lena, and Seokyeon. Oh, they're so cute. How they've matured so much since debut. If you guys didn't know, Mia's my bias. It looks really good with black hair. In the bottom it says chapter 1. Mia, Soryung, Minju, Lena, and Seokyeon, and the 6 of the girls. Okay, let's turn. Here is the blue key. It says, when a person is lucky enough to live inside a story, to live inside an imaginary world, the pains of this world disappear, for as long as the story goes on, reality no longer exists. Dang. I feel like it says something here, but I'm not sure. Here is the blue door. It has another text over here. It is no longer a question of a false representation of reality, ideology, but of concealing the fact that the real is no longer real, and thus of saving the reality principle. GWSN are true intellectuals. So here's the blue door. It looks exactly the same as the other one. So moving on. Oh, Oh, I guess the different doors and chapters are the different themes of the photo shoots. They're looking at the camera and they're looking away. Here's a little meteor, little space thing. So cute. On the bottom it says chapter 2. Whoa. Okay, okay, okay. Whoa. Ah! There is a picture of Mia. And I got something. Ah! Okay, the box cutter here. So the bigger piece are these stickers, right? Yes. Whoa. Mia sticker, Starting sticker, Minju, Seokyoung, and Lena. Oh my gosh, no! They really did. Oh my gosh, so cute. Waiting for you, SOSO. That's so amazing. They really didn't leave out SOSO in these. There's a tree here. And this isn't a sticker. I'm never going to use this, but I'm going to keep them. The next big thing after it was this one. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this little paper thing, it basically says that Miles wants people to audition. Because you can see here, it says Boku Rap Densu Yeonggi자 and singer-songwriter, which translates to vocal, rap, dance, I think acting, act, and singer-songwriter. So those are things you can audition for at Miles. Here is the SNS information. Here is the Gmail. If you want it, read it, here you are. I'm actually thinking of auditioning. Not right now though. I have school that I want to finish, so it won't take until a few years. But hopefully by that time I can get in, maybe. I'm pretty sure I saw this right. This is the photo cards. You can see I got Soryang. This is the keys. This is the key from the beginning. It says Girls on the Park. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. She's wearing like the streetwear outfit here. And it's really pretty. She has her red squiggly earrings. Her little bangs, her everything. Oh, she's so cute. Our little fairy leader. The few albums that I have. I just put everything where it was before. Just like new. Here's Soryang. Here it is. What is this? Oh, bro. What did I just see? Oh my gosh. Here's Minju. Box cutter. To separate the page. The biggest thing here is this thing. Is this. What? More stickers? Bro. I don't think they're stickers. They're tattoos. The next thing I saw was this little thing. It says the keys. And again, no spoiler alert. It's a Mia little stand, I think. You know, when you have cardboard cutouts, this is basically the mini version. It's like thin paper. And it's a little Mia. Yeah, this folds. Trying to get it straight. And then you can place it wherever. And there's something else. Here is another photo card. Oh my, I did not expect this. Minju photo card. It says here the keys. There's a little line here. Minju's signature. Even says here Minju in Korean. Minju, Girls on the Park. And let's turn it over. It's holographic. Oh, this is so pretty. Bro, look at her. Look at her. Can I put it here? Yes, I can. It's like a little covering. What a coincidence, or maybe not, that I got a Minju photo card in the Minju section. Next page. Look, here's Lena. And here's Anne. That's Anne. This is, oh my gosh, this is Seokyoung. I'm not sure if the books are real, but if they are, I'm going to get them one day. One day when I have money. Here are two of the rappers. There's Mia and Anne. Cute. Then here's Minju and Lena. Then here is Soryang and Seokyoung. Next is, oh, okay. Whoa. Okay. Wait, let's focus on this first. Space was still there, but it had lost its predominance. The mind was primarily concerned not with measure and locations, but with being and meaning. What does this mean? It's open. The text says something different here. If you look into someone's face long enough, eventually you're going to feel that you're looking at yourself. The only thing I have to say is that GWSN are big-brained. Page turn. Mia! Look, it says GWSN, the little keyhole, and then from Mia. What does this mean? Okay, here on the bottom, it says, don't mind my slow Korean. Gangsahan, Malnud, Ichi Marajo. I'm hoping I said that right. Next page turn. I guess they're all going to have the, yeah, same thing. Soryang from Soryang. I guess these are inspirational. Nai guni kesok bichnage kopinachi anke kok anajurke. Here is Minju. I love her handwriting. Himdur surok do bichnar goeyo. Minju Lena. Her handwriting is so neat. 지금 잘하고 있는 거 맞춰요. 잘 해내고 있어요. I think she was talking about herself, I think. Maybe. Or doing something. This is Anne. 그때는 존재 자신만으로 충분히 아름다운 존재이다. Anne. 이건 아우석양. Whoa, her handwriting is mega neat. I'm not sure if this is Hana or Il. I'm just gonna say Hana. Hana He, Hana Sonia, Youngwani, Gongwan Sonia. Next is Waiting for You. Oh my gosh. No, no way, no way. I can't believe them. They really want me to cry. Look, it says SOSO. It says Waiting for You. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm guessing this is her handwriting, maybe? Or maybe one of the girls and their message to her. 모두 항상 건강하고 하루따루 좋은 일만 가득하길 바래요. I don't even know what that means, but I honestly feel like crying. Next page, next page. We have all of them. Woo! Little like conclusion to everything. It says chapter 3 in the bottom, by the way. Oh, okay, and here are the lyrics. So, Bazooka. So here is the Bazooka information if you want to know. Here is Wonder Boy the Aerialist. And all its information. Here's Tweaks, Heavy Cloud but No Rain. If you want that information right here. Is After the Bloom Alone. And we're at the end. There's no other pages. Here are the credits. Here's the official page info. So this is basically all the SNS of GWSN and Miles. And here's a little heart key lock. And that's it for this album. I am so happy I got this album. It's so pretty. It's so perfect. It's so... Just look at it. Look at their signatures. Oh my gosh. I can finally flex. So apparently I can't use Flash when my battery is low. So here is a setup without the Flash. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing of GWSN The Keys. So happy I got to capture this moment. Subscribe to Glamour Heart for more K-pop related content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!